Hello viewers, back with us Bagas Arianto and
Daniel.
we will give you the latest news about floods in Indonesia. Breaking news, floods hit 54 areas throughout the capital city on disrupting traffic and the operation of public transportation. The National Disaster Mitigation Agency (BNPB) report that thousands of houses were inundated by flood water, reaching various levels ranging from 10 cm to 150 cm. The flood occurred because the city drainage system cannot accommodate the overflowing water. BNPB spokesperson.
Beside the capital city, Tangerang and Bekasi have also been affected by heavy rain and flooding. The BNPB is currently data from referral sources, including the Jakarta Disaster Mitigation Agency and the general public.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello viewers, I am Alif Mulya. I will bring you a weather forecast for 24 February 2021. Thunderstorms are estimated in Jakarta with 26 degrees and the scene slightly shift to a cloudy because are with 25 degrees. In the Bogor, light rain with a temperature 26 degrees. That's all for me. Back to Bagas.
Thank you, Alif. That's all the news from us.
Don't forget to comply with health protocols. See you next time.